Samsung's big Galaxy S24 series info reveal is here, confirming earlier rumors. They're going all out with the lineup. It has been just a few months since the launch of the Galaxy S23, and it has been a massive hit for Samsung. In collaboration with Galaxy Club, we are bringing an important piece of information about the Galaxy S24. Sam Mobile and Galaxy Club can now confirm the codename of the Galaxy S24. Samsung is internally calling the Galaxy S24 series Muse. There could be 3 phones in the company's next-generation high-end smartphone lineup: Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is codenamed Muse3, so the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus could carry codenames Muse1 and Muse2, respectively. The South Korean firm has a history of using codenames for its high-end phones. For example, the codename of the Galaxy S20 series was Hubble. The Galaxy S21 series was codenamed Unbound, while the Galaxy S22 series had the codename Rainbow. Similarly, the Galaxy S23 series codename was Diamond. A few rumors claim that Samsung would cancel the Galaxy S24 Plus. However, it doesn't look like it will happen. The South Korean firm could continue its tradition of launching a Plus model with the Galaxy S24 series. Not much is known about the Galaxy S24 and its specifications. And yeah, it's almost confirmed that the Galaxy S24 series will follow the same design language as the Galaxy S23 series. The camera setup will remain the same, with software improvements for better photography. However, consumers of Ultra could be able to welcome 5x optical zoom, ditching the 3x crop. As usual with high-end Samsung phones, more information about the Galaxy S24 series should be revealed just before the official launch. We expect more details on the design and specifications of the phones to be revealed in the first few weeks of 2024. That's it for today. What do you think about Galaxy S24? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.